Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Henderly. Today is Thursday, March 19th, and we are going to do a math lesson today on counting on, because I know that's something that some of us have been having a hard time with. So remember, we use counting on when we're trying to add two numbers together, and we might have numbers that are a little bit too big to just use to count on our fingers. So let's start out with the addition problem 8 plus 5 equals. Okay, so if I tried to hold up 8 fingers and then tried to add 5 more, I don't have enough fingers to do this math. So remember, we're going to use the method of counting on. So we're going to start with the bigger number, 8. Use a different color. We're going to start with 8. And then we're going to count on 5 more from there. Now, for this, you can use your fingers. I can't hold up my fingers and write at the same time, so I'm going to do little circles to represent the 5. Okay, so we're going to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 1, 3. Okay, now you can feel free to do these problems on a whiteboard or a piece of paper if you'd like. The next problem that we're going to do is going to be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Now, notice that the number that I'm starting with, the number I'm counting on from, is the bigger number. So when I look at 6 and 5, which number is the bigger number? It's 6. So I'm going to circle 6, and then I'm going to get counters for the 5. So you can use your 5 fingers, or I'm going to do 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to count on. I'm going to start with the circle number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 1, 1. 11. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. Noticing that right now I'm always putting the bigger number first. That's not always how it's going to turn out. So let's do 7 plus 4. Okay, so which number is the bigger number? It's 7. And we're going to count on 4 more. So I'm going to circle the 7. And then I'm going to do 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers if you're using fingers. So we're going to start with 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. Our last problem also equaled 11. 6 plus 5 also equals 11. Okay. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to give you a second to get ready. Okay, so 4 plus 11. 4 plus 11. Okay, now remember, we're circling the bigger number. It's not the first one I need on this one. Which number is bigger, 4 or 11? 11 is bigger, so I'm going to circle the 11. And then I need counters for the smaller number. So I need 4 fingers, or I need 4 dots, or if you're using something else at home, counters, you need 4. So let's count on, ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 plus 11 equals 15. Remember, that's a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. Let's do 6 plus 8. The marker doesn't show very well. Let's use this one. 6 plus 8. Now remember, when you're writing your numbers, make sure you're not writing them backwards. Okay, 6 plus 8. Okay, which is the bigger number? Is it 6 or is it 8? It's 8. Okay, so I'm going to circle the 8, and then I need 6 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 6 plus 8 equals 14. That's a 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Let's do 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 equals. Okay, so which number is the bigger number, 7 or 9? It's 9, so we're going to circle 9, and then I need 7 counters. 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 counters. Okay, let's count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A 1 and a 6. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some problems up here on this whiteboard, and I want you to copy them down onto a piece of paper, and I want you to pause the video, and I want you to do the problems that are on your paper. And then after you're done doing all the problems, I'm going to give you 6. After you do all 6 problems using counting on, then unpause the video and we'll go through the answers. Okay? So our first problem is 7 plus 6. The next problem is 3 plus 9. And then we have, oh, here's a hard one, 12 plus 5 equals, okay, I'm going to come over here, and then we'll do 4 plus 11, no, let's not do 11, we already did that one, let's do 4 plus 13, let's do 10 plus 5, and the last one, let's do 8 plus 11. Okay, so pause the video. I don't know if you can see that last one, there's a glare. 8 plus 11. Okay, so pause the video, solve these 6 problems using counting on. So do this on a sheet of paper or on a whiteboard. And then when you're finished, unpause the video and I'm going to go over the answers with you. Okay? Okay, so 7 plus 6. What's the bigger number? 7. Oh, you can't see that red. It's black. Hold on. 7's the bigger number. And I'm going to count on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to count on 6. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. You can't see that very well. Let's switch markers. 13. Nope. Can't see that very well. Sorry, friends. My markers are not very dark. There we go. Okay, next one. 3 plus 9 equals. Which number is the bigger number? 9. And I need 3 counters. I'm going to use my fingers since I already have the problems written. So 9 plus 3 more. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Next one. 12 plus 5 equals. Which number is the bigger number? 12 or 5? It's 12. And I need 5 fingers to count on. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 12 plus 5 equals 17. Okay, over on this side, 4 plus 13. Which number is the bigger number? 4 or 13? It's 13. I need 4 fingers for this. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 4 plus 13 equals 17. 10 plus 5. Which one's the bigger number? It's 10. I need 5 counters. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Remember, make sure you're writing those numbers correctly. Nice and neat numbers. 15. Last one. 8 plus 11. Which number is the bigger number? 11. Okay, I need 2 hands for this one. So 8 plus 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that's a big number. 19. 1 and a 9. Okay, friends. So that is your lesson on counting on. I hope that you understood. If you didn't and you have questions, please send me a message in Remind or send me an email. I would love to see pictures of your work. Take a picture, send it to me in Remind or send me an email. And I hope you had fun doing this math lesson. I will see you soon, friends. Have a great day.